What you want?
They're a very well balanced offensive team. They run multiple looks, some Delaware looks. Pavalko for them is a great fullback, defensive end, and all their skill kids. All their skill kids are very talented. They got a big line, big center. I don't know the name, number 76, pushes people around real well. And defensively, they're giving up 22 points this year. They run to the ball well. They play responsibilities real well. So it's a very good football team. That was a big goal for the kids this year, was a home playoff game. Trying to build into being a playoff team. Our goal last year was to make the playoffs. We did that, even with a losing record, and now, 9-1 record in a home game.